Welcome to Keep It Sunny's 31 Days of Halloween.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Keep It Sunny's 31 Days of Halloween. Today we're going to be making some spooky pasta salad. Pasta salad is a great party dish to have at your Halloween party. It goes a long way, it's quick and easy to make, and you can always make it in advance. So the ingredients we're going to need are going to be 1 1-pound box of Garden Rotini pasta, 2 whole cucumbers, 1 container of grape tomatoes, half a cup of sliced onions, 1 16-ounce package of pepperoni, 2 8-ounce blocks of cheddar cheese, 1 16-ounce bottle of Italian dressing, some purple food coloring, and a bat cookie cutter. To start off, we're going to take 1 whole cucumber that I went ahead and peeled. You want to pick a larger cucumber because we're going to need lots of space to slice this up. Now normally you would slice it like in little round slices, but today we're going to be slicing it lengthwise because we're going to be using this cookie cutter to cut out little bat shapes, and this is going to be the garnish for our pasta salad. We're just going to slice a long little streak of it, and then we're going to press our cookie cutter into it, and we're going to get a cute little bat shape. Now the center of the cucumber you won't be able to get like really good shapes with, but usually the edges are where you're going to get your cucumber bats from. And whatever leftover cucumber bits you have, I just like to chop up and throw into the pasta salad. Okay, now that our garnish is done, we're going to go ahead and take 2 plates, and we're going to take our box of Garden Rotini pasta. And I want to separate the white pasta from the orange and green, because we're going to be dyeing the white pasta purple, so we have like a purple, orange, and green pasta salad. Those are always really good Halloween colors, so we're just going to separate those. And then we're going to be cooking these separately. So we're going to put the orange and green pasta into one pan and cook that, and then we're going to put the white pasta into another pan, and we're going to add some purple food coloring. You want to add the purple food coloring while the pasta is cooking, because the pasta is going to suck up the water and suck up all the food coloring, and it's going to give you a nice even color on all your pasta. And once it's done, it's just going to look like this. Okay, so to finish up this recipe, we're going to start off by taking a large mixing bowl, and we're going to go ahead and add 1 container of grape tomatoes that I chopped up. Then we're going to add 1 16-ounce package of pepperoni diced into small pieces, 2 8-ounce blocks of Sharp Chedder Cheese diced into cubes, half a cup of sliced onions, 1 whole cucumber chopped into cubes, then we're going to take an even larger mixing bowl, and I already have my pasta in the bottom of that. And now we're just going to go ahead and dump on our cheese, meat, and vegetable mixture. And then we're going to add 1 16-ounce bottle of Olive Garden Italian dressing. Just going to pour the whole bottle on there, stir it up really good. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in a serving dish. And then we're just going to add our little bat cucumber garnish on top. And that's it. That is your spooky pasta salad. This is a really cheap and easy recipe. It goes a long way at a party, and is nice and festive. So that's it. That's all we have for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please come back tomorrow for our very last 31 Days of Halloween video. Thanks again for watching. God loves you. Happy Halloween.
Keep it creepy.